Hello, I'm Biscuit from We Adventures. I've teamed up with our local co-op in Aberfeldy to promote a special event, Fair Trade Fortnight, and to get you all baking for Mother's Day. Did you know Aberfeldy is Scotland's first fair trade town? The co-op is passionate about fair trade products, which means better prices, working conditions, and local sustainability for farmers and workers in the developing world. They also aim to source local produce where they can. Do you recognise this logo? It's on all sorts of products in the co-op, such as chocolate, sugar, tea, coffee, bananas. See how many times you can spot it on your next trip to the co-op. We share this ethos at We Adventures and always try to leave no trace and look after our local environment. I try to inspire the younger generation to care for everything around us, in the hope that a greater understanding will lead to a more sustainable future. So what are we baking and who are we baking for? It's Mother's Day on Sunday the 14th of March, and we'd like to encourage as many kids as possible to bake Red Velvet Cupcakes for their brilliant mothers. There are categories for 6 and under, 7 to 10-year-olds and 11 to 14-year-olds. I will have the happy task of judging your entries with my friend Martin from the co-op. There will be 3 prize winners for each category. Check the competition rules at the end of this video to see how to enter. I've switched my outdoor campfire to an indoor oven, so this should be interesting. Let's go and bake. To enter your cake, please take photos of it with the ingredients that you used so we can see the Fair Trade logos. To enter your pictures, send them to the Aberfeldy Co-op member Pioneer page on Facebook with your first name and last name and age. The top 3 cakes in each age group will be judged by Martin, the Aberfeldy store manager, and myself. Entries must be received by 5 p.m. on the 4th of March. Thanks for baking with me. I can't wait to see all your entries. Have fun baking and tasting.